Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to use Napkin AI. So Napkin AI is a tool that helps you create the text and graphs with several prompts. So type in Napkin AI in Google search. Hit the first link. Now let's click on Sign In. This will ask us to sign in with our Google account. So Google account, hit Continue. Be directed to Napkin homepage, so here we will choose to describing my idea. We'll describe the visual and text content you have in mind, or you can create from notes and other existing content. So we're going to choose the second option here. Now click on Next, My Pillars for example. Care Company. Here, Napkin I will just generate us the full AI text and notes. And you can also customize this or summarize the page. So, is writing. You cannot interrupt this. This is a full content with graphs and conclusion and bullet points. So, that's it guys. We successfully learned how to create text and graphs with Napkin AI. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.